How do I switch from e-filing to file by mail on TaxAct? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to taxact.com. Then click on the sign in option. Now enter your username and password. Then click on the agree and sign in option. Now before you switch to filing by mail, make sure to save or print a copy of your tax return from TaxAct. This is going to ensure that you have a record of the information you entered. Now review the instructions provided by TaxAct for filing by mail. These instructions will vary depending on the specific tax situation and the forms you're filing. Gather all the necessary documents for filing by mail, including any forms, schedules, and supporting documentations required for your tax return. If you were in the process of e-filing and have not yet completed paper forms, you may need to fill them out manually. Use the information from your TaxAct return to complete these forms accurately. Now address the envelope containing your tax return and any additional documents according to the instructions provided by TaxAct. This is going to involve mailing your documents to different addresses depending on your location and the type of return you're filing. Once you have prepared everything, mail your tax return and any other documents to appropriate address. It is a good idea to send your documents via certified mail or with tracking to ensure they are received. After mailing your documents, you may want to follow up to confirm that it was received by the tax authority. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions about the process, directly contact with the customer service of TaxAct. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.